Hello, I bought this heat tool so I could show you it in action. Let me open the box just so I can show you what you get straight out of the box. So here's the heating tool. It's kind of large, plus it's got a little stand here. So I'm gonna go put a connector together and I'll show you how it works. All right, as you can see, this hot air tool worked great for heat shrinking that butt connector. So if you guys are in the market for a heat shrinking tool like this, go ahead and get it. Thanks. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you'd like to buy this product, I have the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link. That helps me out a lot. Thank you.